Welcome back to the Georgia Homes for Sale channel. Today, interested in buying a home in Atlanta? If so, we're showcasing a stunning new construction home in the metro Atlanta area. Atlanta's hottest new construction. Atlanta's real estate market is booming, especially with new construction. This video takes you on a tour of the most sought-after homes in the area, showcasing the latest trends in design and luxury living. But this video is about more than just this beautiful property. It's about the amazing lifestyle Atlanta offers. This home is available for sale or rent to own, so stick around. Atlanta offers a growing job market. Atlanta is seeing steady growth with opportunities in technology, film, logistics, healthcare, and Fortune 500 companies. Atlanta offers a rich culture and vibrant city life. A hub for arts, music, and entertainment, Atlanta provides a fast-paced, exciting lifestyle with all the amenities you need. Atlanta offers beautiful green spaces. Explore Piedmont Park, the Atlanta Botanical Garden, the Beltline, and many parks and greenways, perfect for enjoying the outdoors, from walking and biking to festivals and picnics. Atlanta offers an excellent food scene. Experience a variety of great dining options, from Southern comfort food and international cuisine to innovative restaurants and food halls, all in a dynamic and bustling setting. Atlanta's transportation system includes Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, MARTA public transit, and major highways, making commuting around the city and getting in and out of Atlanta conveniently accessible. The people here are diverse and welcoming. You'll quickly find your community in this dynamic city. Thinking Atlanta could be your next move? Great, but finding the right place can be a challenge. That's exactly why Bob Hale Realty is here to help. We have a wide range of homes available throughout the metro Atlanta area, from downtown Atlanta to Alpharetta, Roswell, Marietta, Decatur, Gwinnett, Sandy Springs, Lawrenceville, McDonough, Stockbridge, and beyond. Whether you're looking to buy, rent, or even explore a rent-to-own option, Bob Hale Realty has you covered. So if buying a home is your goal, our experienced agents at Bob Hale Realty will guide you every step of the way, from finding the perfect neighborhood to negotiating a great deal. We've got you covered, and importantly, we connect you with top lenders offering flexible financing and down payment assistance programs, including options with no down payment for qualified buyers with scores as low as 580. Plus, we proudly offer no money down VA loans for veterans and active military with scores as low as 500. Our in-depth knowledge of the diverse Atlanta market is invaluable to your success. Not ready to buy just yet? No problem at all. Bob Hale Realty has a wide variety of rental options throughout Atlanta. Whether you're looking for a stylish apartment downtown or a family-friendly home in the suburbs, we'll help you find a place that fits your lifestyle and your budget. Bob Hale Realty also offers one of Atlanta's best rent-to-own programs. This option allows you to move into a place you can eventually call your own, building equity while you rent. It's a fantastic way to move towards homeownership. Bob Hale Realty is committed to making your move to Atlanta smooth and stress-free. They understand it's a big step, so they're here to handle the real estate side of things, leaving you to focus on enjoying your new home and community. So if you're ready to start your Atlanta journey, visit their website at bobhale.com or give them a call today at 706-796-2274 or 706-840-4663, or even stop by their office. All of the links are in the description below. Don't wait! Let Bob Hale Realty help you find your perfect home in the exciting city of Atlanta. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.